Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram presence, today I'll show you how to delete comments on your old posts using Instagram's latest update for PC. Whether you want to remove a few remarks or clear out your entire comment history, these steps will help you do it quickly and efficiently. First, open your browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled Menu to expand your options. Next, from the menu that appears, find and click on your activity. This section is where Instagram now organizes all your recent actions, making it much easier to manage your interactions. Inside your activity, look for the Interactions section. Under this, you'll find a tab called Comments. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the comments you've made on posts across Instagram. This is where you can review your comment history and decide which ones you want to remove. Now, at the top right of the comments list, you'll see a Select button. Click on it to enable selection mode. You can now go through your comments and select the ones you want to delete. If you want to remove multiple comments at once, just keep clicking on each one to add it to your selection. Once you've chosen the comments you want to delete, look for the Delete button. Click on it, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm the deletion, and those comments will be permanently removed from your profile and the posts they were attached to. That's all there is to it. With these updated steps, managing and deleting your old Instagram comments on PC is easier than ever. Take a few moments to tidy up your digital footprint and keep your profile looking just the way you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tips for mastering Instagram.